I'm going to unbox and take a look at the new OLIGHT, the i3E. It's the EOS, the smaller one. This is the brand new 18th anniversary version. It's basically the same body and light and LED as the last few years, but just the new 18th anniversary design. Just unbox it and take a quick look here. A lot of people collect these. They sometimes give them away as free gifts. Sort of gets you in the door with the OLIGHT flashlights and gets you moving on to getting some of their nicer flashlights. But it's a great little keychain light. I've used them for years. Just takes a small little AAA battery, but it puts out a good bit of light with them. This is pretty deep purple. It's a darker purple than I expected. You can compare it to the last model, this blue, which has a really nice Asian pattern to it, and the Christmas light that came out just before that. The sizes are the same, the light's the same, has a little bit different keychain ring on it. When you get these, you have to open them up. Sometimes they have a little protective seal in there. You got to drop that piece out. It allows you to use the battery. This is a house battery that they've been using for the last couple of years. They've used others in the past, but I believe this is the same one they've used on the last two lights. Once that's in, it's good to take these lights and put a little bit of lube on there to keep the seals from getting worn out, because when you turn this on and off, it's just by twisting it tight and backing it off. So you're going to turn it a lot on here. It makes a difference to keep the seals lubed to where they don't sort of deteriorate and break down. But once you get it so tight, it comes on like that. The same with these others. Light intensity seems to be the same. They put out around 80 lumens with it, which is plenty of light to be able to use as a keychain light, stronger than most of those little pocket LED lights you're going to have with it. See the serial number on it. This thing uses a AAA battery on it. They're waterproof. The color on this one, the 18th anniversary, they call it purple and gold with it. You get about a 44 meter throw with it. Depending on the battery, battery life's usually around 45 minutes to 70 minutes with the NiCad rechargeable batteries, and just uses a sort of a plastic TIR lens with it. And they still use the same LEDs. This one is made by Philips, Luxon TX LED. The design, like I said, stay the same, but it comes down to personal preference. They still sell all three of these on their website, and they also currently have them on Amazon right now. I think they're $9.99 on Amazon, whereas if you buy it outright on the OLIGHT site, they're $12.95. So I'll put a link to them on Amazon, link to them at the cheaper price here. And if you got Amazon Prime, it's free shipping, 2-day shipping with it at that. So it's just another to add to the collection. Nothing special or different over the other ones other than just the design with it. So makes a good little gift for anybody, and it's really pocketable and works well as a keychain light, and you can still put it in your pocket. So worth the money. Bought this. I'm happy with it so far. So thanks for watching.